Pro Exterior Services on a Saturday morning. Got that sign rolling out here at a beautiful property. Show you the property. Got Anthony with us, and I got my little one, Gaviano. So let's see. Beautiful property. Look at that. Anyway, I was out here, got called for a gutter cleaning. So I was like, okay. And came out, talked to the homeowner. I'll show you the gutters. Not too high, seemed like a little higher than 1 story, but not bad. Beautiful home. And upsold them on a house wash. So, you know, is what I'm starting to do, guys, is upsell from the gutter cleaning. The way I do that is this. Hey, listen, we can clean your gutters out, not a problem. Here's your price. By the way, all of the debris from the gutters are going to go in the house, and it's not going to look great while I'm here. Why don't we just go ahead and put a house wash on it and do you a package deal? So far, 9 out of 10 say yes. So it's been working. So anyway, we are on a well. So I went ahead and hooked the tank. We brought quite a bit of water. So I'm just going to let that fill up while we clean the gutters. They're moving all the stuff from the house. So we'll be good to go. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get set up. And we'll catch back with you. We got a lot of property protection. You can see all this stuff here. Now, when it comes to screens with TVs and things like this, I don't touch them. I don't touch them. The only way I touch them is you move everything out of there, including the TV. Or we try to put a bag over the TV, and there's no promises the TV's going to work. But, you know, we got that tankless water heater, which is not a problem. Not even a big deal. But we got a lot of stuff up here on the front porch. Let's take a walk around here. So we're moving this, and of course, customers paying for that. So got speakers all over. Nice setup. Very beautiful home. Again, we got to be careful with this door. Well, this is a painted door, so we should be good. So of course, we'll do our test spots. Property protection there. They got some stuff on the corner over here too. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the ladders out, start on proper gutter cleaning, blow them out real quick, and then roll a house wash. All right, catch up. Peace. Got these gutters here. You can see it's just really a little bit of dirt and even granular. So this is what we're gonna do. I see some debris on the corner, so I'm gonna go catch that debris, clean out the spout, and then I'm gonna just rinse this out with the pressure washer. So it should go fairly easy. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. Third side of the house with the gutters. Most of them weren't too bad, but by the downspout, so we're trying to blow it out with the David Shooter tip, see if that helps, instead of manually digging it all out. And then we come back and flush the gutters. We put the M5 twist on the gun, shoot it in the gutter, get all that debris out, and then, yeah. So we're almost done with the gutters. Let's check the front gutters and see how much we got. Well, we got the whole house. And it's a little steep over the roof. It ain't too bad, but you know, if we don't feel comfortable doing it, we just don't do it. We just go old school on them. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and help Tony and finish up. We'll go ahead and start washing. Got all the gutters cleaned out. We're gonna hit our soap on twice. See what we get here. And I'm gonna do this little test spot right here, just to give it a little test. You know, there we go. We got some soap. So let this marinate for a little bit. And then we'll check it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna hit my soap off. Okay, got soap off. And again, this is a lighter colored house, and these colors don't typically have any effect with the bleach on organic paint, or not to my experience. Now they may, I don't know, but not to my experience. So, but again, we're just doing a test spot just to test it out. It's always safe. You had to go through a whole house wash and change your color, right? Unless it's changing it from green to clean, baby. So we'll see how this works out here in a second. And we got these posts here. We got to be cognizant of this. This is actually, yeah, it looks like, I don't know what kind of paint's on that, but we'll check that out. And I'll spray a little. In fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I'll do it on the back one, inconspicuous. You want to do it to where, you know, in case it does affect the color. There you go. Just put a little bleach on it. Again, it's a downstream mix. It ain't strong, so. Spray it again. Let it sit there for a little bit. And the line should be clear of bleach. Go check this over here. Again, if you're not sure if bleach is going to affect something, just do a test spot. Let me get this out of here. Just do a test spot. Takes you a minute, and then we just roll. And again, when I'm, just for the record, when I'm shooting doors, I try not to shoot at the bottom because water will get in there. I could go around it, let it drip down. We got our property protection in place. We're good. So yeah, all right. We're gonna let's go ahead and rinse while you guys are live. Well, not live, but in action. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got water now. No change, baby. We're golden. We're good. We're good in the hood. And it looks so much better. Look at that. And again, this was a gutter job that I upsold. Because when I tell people, hey, look, when I do your gutters, your house is going to be filthy. Look at that difference. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and shoot this side. Catch this. And, you know, depending on the weather, if it's a cool, shady day, like kind of is today, but the sun breaks out every now and then, I try to hit two sides to be efficient and let it roll. I just try not to let the bleach on the windows dry. All right, let me go ahead and soak. Peace. Being efficient, it's about your hoses too. So you see how my hose reel, I did that strategically. So I'm gonna wash this side, wash the back, and I'm gonna go come in the front of the house, go on the other side, and when I end, my hose is already lined up on my reel to be reeled up. So again, being efficient, I mean, it's only, they say be 2 minutes, but that's 2 more minutes I got for my day doing other stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and soak. Be back with you. Peace. Inside of the house. I love the house washers. They just, of course, we're gonna do what we do. Put some of that BTUs. Get it drenched. Get the BTUs drenched. I'm going to drench these towels a little bit. Got them speakers covered, so we're good there. Oh, they got a bird nest up there. And I'll probably wash this side and then hit the front just because of these columns. Get them all, soak them down a little bit. All right, let's get some soap on this bad boy. Soap on. And you see we got a hot spot there? I'm gonna do that hot spot last. Let me get up here. Some hose. Wait till we get some soap. All we're doing is downstreaming straight 12.5. Out of my 50-gallon tank, I put probably, I don't know, 25 ounces of eliminator. Then I have to hit that third too much. And it works out fine. You see the soap. So let me fan tip it a little bit. Catch the inside here. You want to get on the inside that lip. I don't know if you can see that lip, but make sure you get that because people don't do that. Hit that column real quick. Hit that gutter. Then we'll come out here. Spray this side. Spray that gutter down good. Just hit it off. Again, all we're doing is spraying some SH. And I can hit that wall while I'm here. Again, don't spray the door too much. Get around the speaker best you can. And I go, again, around the plugs. I go a little high, come down. That way you don't get too much drippage on it. I mean, as long as you're properly protected correctly, you should be good. And then I'm gonna hit this side. is the hot side, remember. So get behind those gutters, get the windows too. They get dirty too. And this eliminator does streak free, so it's alright. Alright guys, go ahead and rinse it off, and we'll be wrapping it up here soon. Alright, catch up. Peace. Just rinsing the top off. Got the David Shooter tip on here. Trying to get that little little nest down if we could. Sometimes you can get them, sometimes you can't. That's the way it is. I do make it a point to try to get every one of them though, because to me that's an eyesore, you know. So we may try to get the ladder and get the little stick. Almost done here. Last sign. And this David Shooter tip, you know, they got little dirt. I don't know what it is, but and it's kind of hard to get off. So that David Shooter tip helps with this little bit of stream. And mine was shooting a little funny, but I found out, somebody posted on the internet that, oh yeah, you probably dropped it and messed the tip up, so I had to drill it out. But now it's nice. Oh yeah, it's good. All right guys, look at that, all done. Let me I'm gonna probably soft wash this for him real quick. All right, catch up. The house got the trailer wrapped up. We ended up putting a cover over the whole thing. Anyway, we got rained out. The only problem we had was this injector. Of course, chemical injectors go out quite a bit. That's why I keep 5 or 6 of them at least. And we're going to soak it in some water and take it apart and clean up the ball and spray some lube on it, and it'll be gone. So we'll put it in a bucket here. Just get some water. There you go. Leave it sitting there a day or two and get her done. Anyway, please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.